Hello students, welcome to Excel class number 7. We will use if function in this worksheet. So the scenario is we have the monthly sales of the employees, and if the monthly sales of an employee is greater than equal to 2 lakh, then we want the bonus of 5% to be given to the candidate. Otherwise the candidate is not eligible for the bonus. So equal to if bracket start logical test. So we will compare the monthly sales greater than equal to G7. So C5 we will keep it as it is, because while copying this formula from top to bottom, we need the monthly sales of Gautam, Shubham, Saurabh to be compared with the eligibility criteria, and G7 we will log the row reference, that is number 7, because we need the sale limit to be picked up from this cell only in the next cell as well, comma value if true. What do we want if this eligibility criteria is met? So we want the bonus, so C5 multiply by bonus, so C5 will remain as it is, and H7 we will lock the row reference, because we want this bonus to be picked up from this cell only in the next cell as well. We are copying this formula from top to bottom, so only row reference will be affected, comma value false if the eligibility criteria is not met. So we want no bonus to be given to the candidate, so the value should be picked up from the G4 cell only. So we will lock the row reference in this cell address as well, bracket close, control enter, and if we copy the formula from top to bottom, we get the results accordingly. If we see in this worksheet, the candidates with the monthly sales of 2 lakh or more than 2 lakh, the bonus of 5% is given. We have implemented the formula in the if function. We can use the formula as well as the text. So for Hemant, whose sale is less than 2 lakh, so no bonus is given to this candidate, as well as same criteria applies for Manish as well. So if we change the sale of Manish, we can see the bonus is calculated for this candidate. Let's change the sale of Kamala and make it 1,85,000. So the result will be changed to the no bonus. So this is how the if function works. If function in Excel compare a value to an expected value and returns the result based on whether the comparison is true or false. The comparison operator returns only true and false, but if we want some value to be picked up instead of true and false, or we want to give any output, we can give it through the if function. Thank you.